feel like Beyonce. I woke up like this. I did not. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm SharronReneé. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So today we're going to be doing a review on this beautiful wig that I have on right here right now. So if you want to know all of the specs and the deets, then just keep on watching. Okay, so this is what the wig looks like in its natural state. This is how it will come to you. It is freshly washed and conditioned and completely dry. So this is what it looks like. It's a 13x4 frontal wig. It has 3 combs in around the perimeter. I was gonna say in the back. 3 combs around the perimeter, 1 comb in the back, and it does have adjustable straps. The wig is big head friendly. That's why I have the straps adjusted to fit my smaller to medium size head. The wig is 20 inches long, and I wanted to show y'all what it looks like on before I cut the lace off. It is like ombre at the top, but more like the 2 inches on the sides is not. So yeah, the wig is really cute, and it fits me snug with the straps adjusted. And it definitely has ear to ear laces also too, what I wanted to show y'all. So I really wanted to do a side part, as I kind of said like later on in the video, but my twist would not allow. But I just wanted to show y'all like what the parting space looks like. And I did add like a little bit of foundation powder to the underside of the lace. I did not bleach the knots. I just don't do that, sis. I ain't got time. But yeah, so that's what the wig looks like. I'm not gonna show any styling. I'm gonna do it off camera, but this is what the wig looks like once I've straightened it. It is pretty long for 20 inches, but I missed that little piece, as you can see, but we just not gonna tell nobody, like, and that's it. Hey y'all, so I did not show the styling of this wig because it's really simple. It's what I always do, just lay down the middle and keep it pushing. So it was nothing special. I didn't want to show me straight out, well, not that I didn't want to, but I didn't show me straightening the wig because I'm kind of in a hurry. It's my sister's birthday weekend. I got a lot of running around to do, so I needed to kind of get it done. So I had to like just straighten it, put on some music, do it quickly. Yeah, this is the final look. So this is a 13x4 frontal wig, 150% density. It is ombre. The wig, the cap size is big head friendly. As I showed you, it had the 3 combs around the perimeter of the lace, a comb in the back, and it did have adjustable straps. I showed you already like the construction of the wig and you know all of that stuff. This is Brazilian straight 20 inches ombre. The cap size is big head friendly, so that's really good. If you have a small size head, all you have to do is just adjust the straps and you'll be good. Like I have a small size head, well, a medium size head, and so I have the straps adjusted so that it fits, and I have like my twist in and it still fits over them and lays really nice and really flat, and you can't even tell. So I just straightened the hair. I added some heat protectant before I straightened it, and I did straighten it on 410 degrees with my flat iron, and it took to the heat very well. The quality of the hair is really good. It's really nice. As you can see, she flows. For her to have been processed, she still has a lot of movement. She's very soft, very good quality. Okay, last thing, if you order this wig, it will come in its natural state, like how I showed you like at the beginning of the video, like how it looks. That's how it will come, because I did have to go in and tone the wigs. Each and every one of them I had to tone and then go in and like, you know, rewash and all of that stuff. So it will come in its natural state. It won't come straight like this. These are done by hand, so it will come in its natural state. It would take forever for me to do all of that and to like, you know, straighten each and every one. So it will come in its natural state. You'll have to straighten it yourself. Hopefully that's okay with you. Like, it's still the wig. All you have to do is just go in and straighten it out. And that's that. Yeah, but I really love this color, and I really wish that I could have done a side part. Like, I think a side part would have been really cute. I have, y'all know, like, I got my hair in my twist under here, so like they parted in the middle and pulled back so it lays flat in the middle. But if I would have tried to part it on the side, literally like right here is twists, so the part wouldn't have looked right. It wouldn't have laid flat, and it just would have been a mess. So I had to go with the middle part. I mean, I'm not against the middle part. I love the middle part, but like I feel like the side part would have been really cute too. But I love this color. This is really cute for the summertime. Now, I typically don't wear a lot of wigs in the summertime. Like, I still wear wigs in the summertime, but not as often as I do in every other season. But like, this is definitely gonna be my summertime wig, along with like my curly wig. So this will be like my straight joint, giving you a little bit of ombre action, and then like I can pop out my curly one when I want to do like some curly, you know, vibes. I missed this piece back here because I was like rushing, but we just going to hide that and hopefully nobody don't pay it no attention. So yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it. It's not really much else to say about this wig. If you're interested in it, I will leave the direct link down in the description box for you to check it out. And subscribe if you're not subscribed. Okay, give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Drop that in the comments and let me know what you think, and I will catch you in my next one. Enjoy the rest of your week, your weekend, whatever it may be. Peace and blessings.